Hello and welcome. My name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel. In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to add a trend line in Excel. This line will help you if you need to create a clear display of data in a chart. So let's waste no more time and get started. First of all, we need to tell ourselves that we can only use this function if we have data in the chart. If you want to see how to create a bar chart or other types of charts, be sure to check out the other Office Superheroes videos. Links to the videos can be found in the video descriptions. In this video, we'll also show how to format a trend line as well as how to remove it. First, we need to click on the chart. Now we click on the green icon with the plus sign, which is located on the right side of the chart. This will open a window with options. Here we can remove or select different elements. Since we want to show the trend line, select the trend line option. Click the arrow to the right of the text. A window will appear in which we can select the type of trend line. There are different types to choose from. We will choose the first option, linear. Now we can format and edit the trend line as desired. We right-click on the line. A window will open and we will select the Format Trend Line option. We will see a taskbar on the right side with options to edit the line. In the Trend Line Options section, we can change the type of trend line. If we would also like to change the color of the line, we go to Fill a Line. Here we have several options to change the line. Here we can change the color and also the transparency of the line. We can also set the width and other parameters here. To close the taskbar, use the cross in the upper right corner. One last thing before we finish. If we wanted to remove the trend line, we simply just click on the graph. We click on the green plus sign icon and the options will appear. And we simply deselect trend line. We're done. The trend line is immediately removed. It was a piece of cake, right? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If it did, let us know via a comment or a like. Are you interested in other videos on how to quickly learn how to work with Excel? If so, don't forget to subscribe. That's all from me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.